Welcome everyone and Assalamu alaikum. So today we're going to start a new course, a very crucial and important course about the essay. The essay, as you know, is a very important craft and task when it comes to writing. It is dealt with everywhere in all fields, whether in literature, linguistics, I don't know, psychology, psychopedagogy, and so on. Though it's very important to master this craft and to learn about its rules, the rules which govern essay writing. Now, we have seen in the first year the rudiments and the basic rules about the English sentence and its structure. And second year, we have detailed the English paragraph and its different types. Now it's time to explore the essay definition and structure. So, in fact, the word essay reminds us or comes from the French word essayer. Essay, it means a try or an attempt. Clear, a try or an attempt. Now, what is the relationship between the French essay and the English essay? In fact, it refers to when the writer tries or attempts to communicate. It means we say essay, this word stems its origin from the French word essay, because here the writer tries and attempts to communicate, to transmit his information, his opinion, his ideas about a particular topic through this piece of writing, which is the essay. That's why we say it a kind of a trial or a try or attempt. Right, good. Now, this is literally speaking. Now, here of course we can say that the writer tries to discuss, to analyze, to tackle, and to cover and develop a certain topic through the information and the ideas he has about this or that topic. Now, academically speaking, here we'll define the essay according to its content and its structure, clear, and its constituents. We can say that an essay is simply a group of related paragraphs. It's a group of paragraphs which are related. A group, here we need at least 3 paragraphs. There should be at least 3 paragraphs to construct and to form and compose an essay. Clear? Now, this group, of course, discusses a central idea within a topic. Right, within a topic. Means the paragraph or the essay, is going to tackle a topic, focusing mainly on one central idea within it. Clear? Within it. Good. Now, if you compare between the essay and the paragraph, we find that the essay consists of a group of paragraphs. Clear? So here, the paragraph consists of a group of sentences. So the basic unit for the paragraph is the sentence, whereas the basic unit for the essay is the paragraph. Clear? That's why we say that it's a group of paragraphs, of course, which are related and coherent. Good. Now, we have 3 main parts. Alright, in the essay we have what we call the introduction and the body paragraph or paragraphs and conclusion. For the introduction, or what we call the introductory paragraph, it should be only 1 paragraph. 1 paragraph. For the body, it can be 1 or more. 1 or more paragraphs, depending on the main points you want to develop in the body. For the conclusion also, or what we call the concluding paragraph, here also it should be only one paragraph. Clear? One paragraph. Of course, all these paragraphs should be related and unified. Clear? In terms of the topic. Right. Good. Now, this essay is going to discuss only one single topic to achieve one of its major features, which is unity. So whenever we say an essay, it means it discusses only one main topic. Clear? One main and single topic. Right. But this topic contains a lot of angles, right? A lot of points, a lot of sides that can be developed. That's why, to be precise, to be very thorough in your writing, you need also to focus on one central idea with this topic. For example, if you want to speak about a topic of, I don't know, travel in an essay, you may speak about types of travel, advantages of travel, preparations for good travel, and so on. So, if you want to write an essay about travel, choose only one of these central ideas and develop it in your essay. Right. Good. Now, the essay structure, in fact, consists of three main parts, as we said: introduction, body, and conclusion. Why three or more paragraphs? Because the topic in the essay usually is too complex to develop within only one paragraph. The topic of the essay usually is rich, is complicated, is full of ideas, right? Requires a lot of treatment from different sides. Clear, we can cover within that topic. So here we resort to the essay to cover this topic. Clear, and divide it into three or more paragraphs. Clear, paragraphs. So, introduction, as we said, the first part is simply one paragraph, only one paragraph, acts as the first one, introductory paragraph, and this introduction consists of two, if you can say, main parts. It starts with general statement. It means when you start your introduction, start speaking generally about the topic by giving background information about this topic. Then you narrow down the scope of your introduction at the end of it, in the last sentence, and you write a very specific sentence which is called the thesis statement. Clear? So I repeat, the introduction contains two main steps or two main parts. The general statement, it means you introduce background information about the topic, then you end the introduction with what we call thesis statement, a very specific sentence which contains the main idea, central idea, okay, we need to develop in the body paragraph or paragraphs. Clear? This is thesis statement equals topic, sentence, and paragraph. They have the same function. Clear? So here we move from general to the specific at the end. At the end we find this thesis statement. Then we move on to the second part, which is body paragraph or paragraphs, or supporting paragraph or paragraphs. They can be one or more, depending on what? The number of the major points you want to develop. within this topic. Clear? Right. Example, if you want to speak about benefits of travel, you may speak about 3 major benefits: psychological benefits, physical benefits, and social benefits, for instance. So here you have 3 major points. So the body paragraphs will be 3. You will develop every major idea within a separate paragraph. Clear? Separate paragraph. Right. Good. Also, the last part of the essay is called the concluding paragraph. Clear? Or clincher paragraph. Here, of course, the writer is going either to restate, to repeat again, using different words, the thesis statement, of course, within or in general way, or he is going simply to summarize the main points he discussed in the body of the paragraph. He is free. Clear? Conclude, I repeat, we conclude by summarize the main points of the body, clear, or by restate the same topic sentence, but in different way, in a different way. Right. So this is simply a general introduction about the essay, origin of the word, its definition, and its structure. Its structure. Here is a very simple, okay, and illustrating, if you can say, figure which shows you the essay structure in English. Academic, of course, essay. Academic essay in English, and how it should be structured and constructed. Okay. So next time we'll try, inshallah, to focus more and more on the first part of the essay, which is the introductory paragraph, and we'll try to study in details its requirements and how it should be written. So see you then. Thanks so much.